Welcome to Pinion. Our goal is to develop the essential skills for the future that your students need. We focus on technological and computational skills, critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration, as they will all be vital for tomorrow's future. Coding doctor, space nutritionist, quantum engineer, and cyber lawyer are some of the many new jobs of the future. They are sure to transform the way we understand our world. How do we do it? We help you create a design and technology class based on the design thinking process, where kids and teens will imagine and develop tech projects using coding, 3D printing, robotics, maker tools, and information and communication technology. All of this while working in teams and developing a digital citizenship mindset. Pinion's model will empower your students by making them technology creators instead of technology consumers, while using creative learning methods. We do all of this step by step with you, giving you constant support and training to ensure the success of the program in your school. Are your students getting ready for the future?